Children, this is a totally new rule for you. You have not studied Cramer's rule before. Okay? Now, let us solve two given equations, linear equations in two variables using Cramer's rule. Okay? Now, the equations can be given to you in a random form, in a disturbed form. You have to rearrange the equations in this form. Okay? Ax plus by equal to c. That means on the left hand side you will have terms containing the variables x and y. Normally they are x and y, but it can be a, b, p, q, anything. And on the right hand side you must have the numbers. So the first step is that you rearrange the given equations in this form. It is very easy to rearrange. Then let me write a number 1 to this, number 2 to this. Okay? In the solution we write given equations are these two. Okay? Then we are going to calculate three different determinants. How many? Three determinants. So now I am going to calculate the first determinant, and the first determinant is denoted by capital D. Determinant D. This is equal to, it is a 2 by 2 determinant. How to write the values here? The coefficients of x and y will appear in the first row. The coefficients of x and y of the second equation will appear in the second row. So simple. These two numbers in the first row and these two numbers in the second row, and let us calculate the value of the determinant. Let us calculate the value. 5 2s are 10. So this will appear in the first bracket minus the second bracket. 7 3s are 21, but minus 3 is there, therefore minus 21. So what do we get? 10 plus 21 equal to 31. So this is your value of D. Then we calculate one more determinant, dx. It is denoted by dx. This notation is a standard notation, dx. Okay. In that case, how do we calculate the determinant? In the first determinant, the coefficients of x are removed. ये दो नंबर को निकाल देते, फिर यहाँ पर कौन से दो नंबर लिखे जाएंगे? इसको निकालने के बाद ये दो नंबर्स, यानी यहाँ आएगा 9 25 और बाकी दो नंबर जैसे है वैसे. ठीक है? इसको बोला जाता है dx. दिस इज dx. x के कोएफिशिएंट्स को निकालो और राइट हैंड साइड में जो दो नंबर्स है वो वहां पर डालो. कैलकुलेशन ऑफ द डिटर्मिनेंट इज सेम. 9 2s are 18 minus 25 3s are 75, so minus 75. This is equal to 18 plus 75 is equal to 93. Okay. Now dx में हमने क्या किया था? जो पहला डिटर्मिनेंट था उसमें x के कोएफिशिएंट निकाल दिए थे. अब dy में क्या करते? पहले डिटर्मिनेंट से ही dx मिलता है, पहले डिटर्मिनेंट को रीअरेंज करके ही dy मिलता है. अब हम क्या करेंगे? y के कोएफिशिएंट्स को हटा देंगे. y के कोएफिशिएंट्स वी हैव टू रिमूव, कीपिंग द कोएफिशिएंट्स ऑफ x as they are. Keeping the coefficients of x as they are, we have to simply remove the coefficients of y. So this minus 3 and 2 will be replaced by these two numbers. So you will get 9 here and 25 here. Okay. Now this is equal to, again the same trick, 125, 25 5s are minus 9 7s are 63, 62. So value of this determinant is 62. So it is very easy to calculate the determinants. First D, using D you get dx, using D you get dy. So three determinants we have to calculate. Then we get the values of x and y. Now how to get the values of x and y? The value of x, therefore x is equal to dx upon d. Now what is the value of dx? Dx is 93 upon d. What is the value of d? 31. So this comes out to be 3. Correct? Then the value of y, and y is equal to dy upon d. This y is a suffix. It should be written slightly below d. Same way x also. Okay. So dy, how much is it? Dy 62 upon 31. This comes out to be 2. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. This is the solution of given equation. You can verify also. Put the values. 5 3s are 15. 3 2s are 6. 15 minus 6 is 9. 7 3s are 21. 2 2s are 4. 21 plus 4 is 25. So both the values are satisfying both the equation. So it is a very simple method, Cramer's rule. Let me explain one more example using Cramer's rule.